Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. It's actually a pretty big package, but I don't know what's in here, as per usual. So we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright. Open that up. Let's see what's in here. Oh, wait. This was sent by... Oh, no. I should have looked. This was sent by Hogue. Yeah, I had a conversation with them just the other day. What do we have here? Oh, goodness. Oh, cool. Okay, neat. They're like, I mean, I'll use them as like, you know, secondary disassembly mats or place to keep specific types of hardware, but these mats are cool. I might give a couple of those away. What do we have here? Oh, hey, look at this. That's awesome. This says, hey MC, we hope you love the blank. I'm going to show you guys here in a sec. Let us know if you need anything else. Very nice of Hogue. So Hogue reached out to me, and I've always said, if you don't know, just to give context, right? Because I know there's new people coming in, right? I generally, you know, will let companies reach out to me, and then I kind of pick and choose what I think would be interesting on the channel. I've always enjoyed Hogue knives. I think they are severely they do a great job. A lot of people like Hogue knives, very popular, but I think they're underrated as a U.S. manufacturer. They make some of the greatest stuff. They manufacture in, you know, for example, the Ritter Hogue RSK MK1G2. So they reached out to me and said, do you want to take a look at something? And I was like, yeah, that would be cool. So I picked something, just one thing to kind of, you know, just to kind of start this off. And they were nice enough to say sure. So anyways, they said, we're here to support the community from your friends at Hogue. All right, awesome. And that's John plus the rest of the Hogue Knives team. Thank you. Very cool. That's awesome. What do we have here? Yeah. Yeah. Hang on. Hang on. Let me make sure. All right. They loaded me up here. We got a lot of cool stuff. So this is just an unboxing and first impressions. As per usual, you guys will get the full comprehensive review, right? Which is not altered. I always, you know, I have the same rules as a lot of reviewers, right? I appreciate getting samples for review, but I'm always, you know, try to be perfectly honest when it comes to the review itself. So we'll do that comprehensive review down the road. Oh man, so this was the one that I wanted to take a look at because of how crazy the grind was. There we go, right here. Hogue X5 3.5-inch SIG Scorpion, CPM 154, Wharncliffe blade, FDE, which you guys know I'm a huge fan of. I love the FDE coatings. Well, I don't know if this is PVD. It's either PVD or Cerakote because of the color. And then let's go back here. Black aluminum frame, G10 inserts. Very cool. So this is available right now. I love that this is aluminum and not the what am I trying to say here? The injection mold plastic. Let's do that right there. Big fan of that. This has a... Oh, this is also... What's going on here? This is a flipper and button lock. Okay, I was like, wait, what? Okay, cool. I actually didn't know that. I wonder if I was thinking that it was automatic. Either way, very cool. Has the lock on there, so it won't disengage. Or in the... Does it work in the closed position? Not in the closed position, but in the open position. If you want to lock it out, you can. Action's pretty smooth. Not, you know, we're not looking at... like anything, we're not looking at what's a good example? Norseman smoothness or anything like that. I'm wondering what's going on the inside of the pivot because I'm hesitant to say that it is on bearings. It doesn't necessarily feel like bearings. So from the closed position, flipping it is good. You pull that button and it does drop. This area right here just to let you guys know what I'm feeling. There's resistance right about here, and then it sort of snaps into place right there. It kind of gets tight at about right here. Push, snap. So I don't know if it's the plunge lock or something else in there, something similar to other knives that I've felt that's creating that resistance or that feeling of detent, or if it is an actual traditional detent. I don't know, because I haven't been on the inside yet. I picked this one because of the wild lines and the wild grind. We have a compound grind that's thicker on the initial edge right here. Ooh, that's sharp. Yeah. And then we have what looks like, I don't think it's hollow. It's just a higher grind right here, and then it's thinner up there. And it actually changes angle. That's interesting. How utilitarian is that? I don't know. But I like stuff like this. This knife is very unique looking. It's very different than other knives that we've seen out there. It's not going to be for everybody. You know, we have an overabundance of knives right now that are just like dictionary example knives, right? If you look up knife in an encyclopedia or pocket knife in an encyclopedia, there would be, you know, we have like a gajabillion examples of just a knife right now, right? What's popular is kind of straight and simple lines. This does not have straight and simple lines. This is over the top, crazy. And I'm welcoming that right now on the channel, just as far as, you know, stuff that's interesting. It's still going to be subject to the same kind of the rules I have here and the same kind of stuff that I use to critique everything. It's definitely still going to be subject to that. But it does get cool factor points for just being really, really different. The other great thing here, as I mentioned before, Hogue knives made in the United States. That's really, really great. I'm a big fan of CPM 154. And I'll tell you, I'm biased for CPM 154. If you guys don't know, I still consider CPM 154 to be one of the most well-rounded steels out there. So while a lot of people don't like to see it in a higher price territory, I argue that. I say that it's so well-rounded, and this is the powder form version of it. It's appropriate on a wide range of stuff. I'm always happy to see CPM 154. This is cool. Lockup, good. Completely and totally solid, which is awesome for a plunge lock, because I just kind of expect there to be a little bit of play. But no, centering on this guy looks to be, does it go down that line? Yeah, it does. There you can see the tip is just splitting that backspacer perfectly. Nice centering there. You are kind of locked into one place. They have some pretty aggressive cutouts here where they really want you to put your index finger right there, right? I've kind of voiced my opinions on that. I don't like to be forced into one spot, but that one spot that they're forcing you into is pretty comfortable. And the pocket clip isn't super duper aggressive considering how it comes up here. It does have that bill that angles down, so I'm kind of, you know. But as far as, you know, feeling in the hand, yeah, it's all right. Deep carry as well, so your carry is going to be something about right here. Yeah, there's some stuff on here that not everybody's going to like. I'm not sure how I feel about the, I like the G10 insert. I'm not sure how I feel about that big, you know, logo being right there. It looks like that looks like a filler tab, so you can remove, yeah, you can put the pocket clip on the other side. Is that the case, or is there a second clip? Hang on. Yeah, there's another clip. Cold Steel taught me that. Curvature of the clip, if there's a spot on the other side, you probably need a clip that's going to face it's going to mirror it, right? So there you go. What's the price on this? I'm not really sure. It's not a cheap knife, but generally Hogue's build quality is justified. The material choice, considering, once again, they are made in the United States. So I will link this guy down below so you guys can check it out if you want to. I think look at this. I love that. I'm going to keep that forever. That's so cool. How did they do that? Anyways, Hogue, I appreciate you guys sending this in. Guys, like I said, comprehensive review coming down the road, probably 2 to 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks maximum. But yeah, you guys will get my full thoughts on this. I think that's going to be pretty much it today. This is a fun unboxing. Hogue, appreciate The mats, we'll do something fun with those. For those of you who are watching right now, I will do something fun with a couple of those down the road. If you, make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.